Wrapping up my companion content training, in this video I want to share some ways you can actually profit from companion guides and content. So companion content is existing as a companion or supplement to existing content, and it's a really great way to allow readers to get more out of the original topic or publication. So by creating engaging popular content, leveraging hot trends, and tapping into a built-in audience from popular content, this is going to really help you scale up your companion content and be able to make sales. So for example, if you'd like to drive more organic traffic to your companion guide, you really want to do things like have a variety of categories, some that are more broad and some that are more specific. You want to incorporate keywords and use the same keywords in your description and your title. And that's going to help you get more organic traffic to your book because people are going to be interested in those specific keywords and topics. You can also use social media. You don't want to necessarily overextend yourself, but you can start with the first place you think they might be. So for example, you might want to put business content more on LinkedIn or perhaps Twitter, and perhaps lifestyle types of content on Instagram. You really want to think about who your target audience is. This, for example, just shows the types of people who are using different types of social media platforms, and we even have some newer ones out that are a lot of times geared more toward younger people as well. Infographics are another great way where you can use infographics to create more interest in your topic and your companion content. So you can distribute it a variety of ways. You can put it online, you can share them on special sites for infographics, social media, etc. So for example, this is an infographic on palm reading. If you had some sort of palm reading how-to guide or workbook, you could create something like this along those lines. So there's a couple of great places to create infographics. Venngage, Canva, and Pictochart are just a few, but there's a lot of great resources out there to create your own infographics. And one of the great things too about using a blog is not only can you use a blog as maybe a basis for your own companion content, but you can then take that blog and promote what you've already published. And that is a great way to take that organic traffic or your built-in audience that's going from your blog and then direct them over to the book or guide that you're publishing. And you don't necessarily even need to do like a hard sales pitch. You can also just publish tips and tidbits and stories and things along those lines, valuable content, and then include a call to action to pick up your guide or your workbook. So if you'd like to learn more about publishing profitable companion content, I recommend you check out Companion Publishing Profits. This is my training on how to get involved with this type of content and get it out there quickly and easily.